First of all, I just want to say that I'm very, very proud of this team because they fought hard like blue-collar workers, okay? Now to the portion of the show where I have to say this because y'all have to know that it just wasn't a victory. It just wasn't easy. Could you guys stop playing with your trophies back there? Could you stop it? I'm trying to talk, man. You're more concerned with your trophies than you are with what I got to say. Sorry, winners. Anyway, it's crazy the amount of hate that there was. And let me tell you, I understand people cheering for their own team. I get that. I don't have a problem with that. But when guys are saying, "Hey, ref, he's on the line," or "Hey, ref," dude, you don't have a relative on the team or nothing. Like you don't even have a friend on the team. Just because we beat you, you got something to say, and that's why we won. Now I want to thank the people, the handful of support that we had. Okay, family members only. Okay, but I also want to thank one in particular group, the haters. So at this time, I would allow the players to come up. We're not going to spend a lot of time on them because I know they're tired because they worked hard. We're going to allow them to come up one at a time and say something about this journey. First person, Spence. Give him Spence. Put him in suspense, Spence. You can take your trophy. You can take your trophy. That's fine.
You don't have to ask him questions because he's not going to know what to say.
Okay, just say whatever you want. Okay, that's fine with me.
The proof is in the pudding.
So that's it. All right, we'll take it. We're good. We're good. We're good. Marcus, get him, man. Get him, Marcus.
Shoot, boy. It wasn't easy, I can tell you that. I mean, we fought, we did what we had to do. It was a whole bunch of haters, but you know, I wasn't chilling. I mean, I was just chilling, doing what we had to do. But I want to thank all of them for encouraging me and all of us to do what we had to do. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah. Get him, Jay.
No, that's AJ.
AJ. AJ.
Well,
assassin.
We went on the court, we did what we had to do. We took the first place trophy.
That's all we know.
Yeah, that's all we did.
Council Christmas.
Well, I did what I had to do for my team.
Yeah.
I scored when I needed to score. I played some defense, got some steals, talked it up, and I played off of how the hate what the haters had to say made me. So if they said Deuce can't score, Deuce gonna score.
Yeah.
If they say Deuce can't hold him, Deuce gonna hold him. Okay. If they say hey take him to the left, I'm going to the left. Okay. If they say hey play him to his right, they gonna play me to my right. That's how it's gonna go. Okay. And I do me, and when I do me, we do us. And when that happened, this happened. This happened. This happened when this happened, this happened. Okay?
Okay. I don't have anything else to say after that.